What's the meaning of aground? Aground. 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 Aground means to run a boat or ship onto the shore or seabed and become stuck or unable to move. The result of running aground can be damaging for the vessel, causing it to tilt or capsize if not properly handled. It can also pose dangers to those aboard the vessel, as well as the surrounding environment. Running aground can lead to costly repairs and potentially cause harm to marine life, making it important for sailors and captains to exercise caution and proper navigation skills when operating their vessels.